Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Studydose. Today I'm here to tell you about 3 online websites or apps that will make your study life smoother. The very first one is Notion. Notion is a software platform where you can create to-do lists. In this workspace, you can take notes, track your progress and organize your study. If you want a video on Notion tutorial, then tell me in comment section, I'll definitely make it. Second one is LifeAt. This is a lifesaver for me. This website comes up with many work backgrounds along with music and timers so that you won't be distracted from your phone. Third one is Grammarly. It is an app or extension for your browser that checks your grammar, spelling, punctuation mistakes, and it is kind of bonus for college students, but school students, high school level students can also use this. That's all for today's video. I really hope it will be useful for you. If yes, then please don't forget to support this channel. Comment down if you want Notion tutorial video.